Here's the Dexta. I've fixed the hydraulics. They're now no longer seized and they're working well. The problem was the shaft was seized and all the pulleys and levers were acting as one. So I had to get the blowtorch, loosen that off and get it all apart. Put a new key in the friction plate end here. I needed a new key just because it was all bent and out of shape from it being seized. And I've also, after fixing the hydraulics, I then sort of did a bit of a restoration to it, and I got the engine going again. That was about 5 years ago now, but I never really painted it properly. But whilst the hydraulics were off, I took the opportunity and I painted it up. So the back axle is now all painted, the link arms, PTO guard, the roll cage has also been repainted. I've repainted the mud guards, and obviously the hydraulic head has also been completely repainted, and the dash and gear sticks and all up. The axle to the engine block. I've also repainted the bonnet and the grills. So it's looking quite nice now. So yeah, so I'm quite happy with that. So there we go.